learn 3 easy ways to add a library to Arduino IDE. This video covers how to add a library in Arduino, including adding zip libraries and importing libraries directly from GitHub. So without further ado guys, let's get this video started. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you the first way on how you can download a library into the Arduino IDE. And so all you have to do is come up to Tools and you go to Manage Libraries. And as you can see, it pulls up the library manager, and this is where you can download all sorts of libraries. And so all you have to do is type in the library that you want to install on the Arduino IDE. The library I want is the DHT11 Central library, so I'm going to go ahead and type in the DHT Central library. So DHT11, I'm just going to press enter on that. And as you can see, it pulls up some libraries here. I'm just going to start scrolling down, and here is the library I want to install. Now you can choose your version right here, but most of the times you should just press install. That would install the newest version, which is probably the version you probably want to install. So just go ahead and press install. And so now it has installed it. And so now if we X this, we come into our examples, we will have our DHT Central library in our examples right here. See? So that means it's successfully installed. Now this could be, if you download another library, that library should have some examples down here. So now I'm going to show you another way on how you can download a library, and that's going to be through Google. And I'm going to type in DHT11 library. And as you can see, I have multiple results I have through GitHub. I'm going to show you how to download a library through GitHub and through this Arduino library list. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one first. And as you can see, the Arduino library list has the library for us to download. So all you have to do is it has all the versions right here. You should just most likely probably install the newest version. So all you have to do is click it and start downloading right here. And so it downloads a zip file into your downloads folder. I'm going to show you what else you should do with that after we're done. But now I'm going to go back. And so now you know how to download stuff through libraries through the Arduino library list. But also you may be wondering how you can download it through GitHub. So I'm going to go ahead and press this link. And as you can see, it pulls up all these files and codes and stuff like that. But all you have to do right here is press code, and you press download zip. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and press download zip, and it should be, yep, it downloads a zip file. And so now here I am at my downloads folder, and as you can see, I downloaded the DHT Central library multiple times, but I'm just going to use one. And so as you can see, we had their zip files, and so we just need one zip file, and we use this top one right here. And so what you do is you can go to the Arduino IDE right here, and you go to sketch, and you go down to include library, and you do download zip library. Okay, you download zip file library, and you navigate to the zip folder that you downloaded from GitHub or Arduino library list. And so I'm gonna go ahead and go to my downloads folder, and I'm going to install this one right here. And so there you go, now the library should be installed. Okay, and so now we can go over here, press on file, and then go to examples, and then scroll down here, and we see the DHT11 library here. But as you can see, the name is different from the library that we installed before on the library manager, and that's because we downloaded from GitHub. Based on where you download it, it could be a bit different. So as you can see, the name's different, and also some of the examples in here will be different as well, and also the way you include it into your code. So all you have to do is to check how to include it is you just have to press on here. It'll pull up one of the examples, and as you can see right here, it shows how to include it. This could be different based on where you download the library, but everything else, all the other commands that have to go with the library are pretty much all the same. And so yeah, that's how you download a library from the Arduino manager and the Arduino library list and GitHub. And so yeah, that's the video. So thank you all for tuning into the video. If you like this video, consider giving this video a like. Also comment down below if you have any questions. Consider subscribing to the video if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you all. Have a great day, guys. Bye.